This is Uhuru's M News. Afghanistan, U.S. wise decision. U.S. troops disabled 73 aircraft, weapons systems before leaving Kabul, then the Taliban came. Before leaving Afghanistan, the U.S. military disabled 73 military aircraft, weapons systems, choppers and armored vehicles at the Kabul airport hangar. Those aircraft will never fly again. They'll never be able to be operated by anyone, the U.S. military said, and added, most of them are non-mission capable to begin with. But certainly, they'll never be able to be flown again. The weapon systems used just hours earlier to counter Islamic State rockets launched toward the Kabul airport were kept operational until the very last minute as the final U.S. military aircraft flew out, said reports. One of the last things U.S. troops did was to make the so-called CRAMS, counter-rocket, artillery and mortar system, inoperable. McKenzie said they demilitarized the system so it can never be used again. Officials said troops did not blow up the equipment in order to ensure they left the airport workable for future flights, once those begin again. In addition, the American soldiers also disabled 27 Humvees and 73 aircraft, so they can never be used again. The U.S. soldiers have left behind around 70 MRAP armored tactical vehicles, which can cost up to $1 million apiece. Throughout the day, as the final C-17 transport planes prepared to take off, McKenzie said the U.S. kept overwhelming U.S. air power overhead to deal with potential Islamic State threats.
Oh. All right. We're here right now with the Taliban as they enter into what was only minutes ago, it was an American-controlled portion of the military airport. Now they're taking over. Here's one of the A-29s. There's an MD-530 over here. It seems we're basically approaching a big Taliban parade at the moment, and talking about a lot of stuff here, a lot of hardware. Wow. Well, here's the latest addition to the Taliban Air Force.